If you have not subscribed the channel, please pause and hit the subscribe button. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers this month. Hey guys, let's review Samsung HW-S61T. One of the best looking soundbar I have ever seen. The build quality feels nice. It's a big upgrade from the TV speaker. Good for playing music from phone too. The sound is nice too. For its price you would desire higher quality of sound. Great purchase. Enjoy full cinema sound from this 180-watt gray Samsung soundbar that looks as amazing as it sounds. It has 6 speakers alongside 2 woofers and tweeters, as well as a side horn speaker, all boosted by acoustic beam technology, filling the room with sound. And with everything built in, this all-in-one soundbar can be placed anywhere you want it. Plus, it's Bluetooth enabled, so you can connect to it wirelessly. The clever adaptive sound identifies what you're watching or listening to and adjusts the settings automatically for the optimum sound experience. What's more, the Quadrat textile wrap combines texture and shape with durability for a beautiful design that suits both modern and classic aesthetics. Really pleased with this piece of tech, think it's good value for money and came with a 2-year guarantee. Samsung HW-S61T 4.0 CH Lifestyle all-in-one soundbar in black. This listens so good. I can hear all the music crisp and clear. When I watched Brokeback Mountain you can hear everything like so well. Designed to fill your space with sound and complement your space from anywhere in the room with simplistic design engineered by Quadrat. Samsung Audio not only has the best design, but also takes your TV sound to the next level from the most awarded soundbar brand in 2019. Simple setup so you can unbox and play your music, movies and more. I am absolutely surprised is the acoustic beam mega spatial sound that surrounds you. This has so many individual speakers it's totally an upgrade on my old 5.1 surround sound setup. The bass is fantastic, and oh my it looks so amazing. Highly recommended soundbar in striking silver gray. This soundbar is certainly of added value in terms of design. The sound is also more than sufficient for the average living room. Once again, help me to reach 1000 subscribers this month. For a true cinema experience you will have to purchase a separate subwoofer. Connecting the soundbar and other devices is a piece of cake. In short, very satisfied with this purchase. Featuring side horn speakers to deliver room-filling sound. Amazon Alexa voice assistant built-in. Music mode, Bluetooth. Adaptive sound to ensure vocal clarity, stream music, Wi-Fi, HDMI input and wall mount included. I bought this product to complement a Samsung TV I have installed in a bedroom. It is great as a speaker for the TV as well as a Bluetooth speaker. It is fantastic on both counts. Thanks to the speakers on the sides, my elongated studio fills completely with the full sound. Since then, the upstairs neighbor has regularly come to ask if the bass can be turned down a bit. The connectivity with the various phones is good. The connection with Bluetooth is established quickly. Afterwards, it is important to bring the volume button on the phone from almost 0 to 50%. In order to let the sound come out of the speaker just as loud as it came out of the phone before. But that may be the case by default. I have not yet found out the usefulness or difference of the subwoofer function. But it wouldn't look out of place in the living room. You could call it an asset. You enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.